Good afternoon, students. Today we will study the edaphic factor. One of the factor is the soil water. The water content of the soil is more important than any other ecological factor in causing difference between the plant community. Soil water is directly taken up by the plant for their life and growth. Besides, soil water act as a medium for the conveyance of salt needed in the plant nutrition. Shortage of water in the soil result in the poor growth of the vegetation. Excess of soil water, on the other hand, is also harmful for the plant. Water logging causes poor aeration of the soil, which result in little absorption of water by the plant. Soil air. In well aerated soil, carbon dioxide released in respiration of the root and the microorganism is freely exchanged with the air above the soil. Aeration of the soil is absolutely essential for the absorption of water by the roots. Absorption of water by the roots takes place at a rapid rate in well aerated soil and at a greatly retarded rate in the soil which are deficient in oxygen supply. Oxygen is related for the respiration of the root. The energy released in respiration is essential for the growth of the root and the emergence of the fresh root hair, which are essential for the continued absorption of water. Soil air is also useful in increasing the fertility of the soil. First, by breaking down the insoluble minerals into soluble salt, by decomposing plant and animal remains. Third, by bringing about nitrifying and nitrogen fixating process of bacteria. Poor aeration result in accumulation of carbon dioxide. Accumulation of carbon dioxide due to lack of good aeration become toxic to plant. The concentration of carbon dioxide may increases to about 10 to 50% of the soil atmosphere. Second is the production of other toxins. Shortage of oxygen and excessive carbon dioxide causes the formation of hydrogen sulfide, formic acid, oxalic acid and other toxic acid and bicarbonates of iron and magnesium. Third is the nutrient deficiency. Most of the nutrients do not get into the plant at a lower pH which develop on account of excess of carbon dioxide. Morphologically and physiological effect of oxygen deficiency on plant. Plant growing in wet lowland have a shallowed root. Root hair are not formed. Root are branched in a simpler manner. Root are shorter. Shoot are smaller. Leaf area and the number of chloroplasts may be reduced. Root respire anaerobically. Permeability of the plasma membrane decreases. Rate of absorption of water and nutrient is decreased. Rate of respiration of the leaves is increased. Leaves become colorless. Reproductive organs are suppressed. Soil temperature. Soil temperature depend upon the following factor. Color and composition of the surface. The amount of heat absorbed by the soil surface depends upon its color and composition. White soil reflects all the radiation and is therefore cooler as compared to black soil which absorbs it completely. If the surface is not open and is covered with a sparse or thick vegetation, the surface would accordingly receive more or less radiation. Porosity and water content of soil. Dry and porous soil is quickly affected by the change in temperature. Wet and heavy soil shows a very slow change in temperature. Plant cover. An area under plant cover remain cooler during the day and warmer during the night as compared to the adjacent open area. During the day, the shade prevent the heating of soil by radiation. The heat is also absorbed by the cool soil of the shaded area. The prevalent humid condition also does not allow the temperature to go up. During the night, the loss of heat by re-radiation is reduced to large extent by the plant cover and therefore the area is warmer. Snow cover. While the reflection of light from a white snow surface raises the temperature of the adjoining area during the day, re-radiate at the night, decreases the temperature. Slope exposure. Slope exposure is an important factor in determining the temperature of the place. Place situated at right angle to the path of the ray receive maximum radiation and are therefore very much heated. Thank you.